This is Hippie Chicken. Hippie Chicken, welcome. This is the home of Ziggy. Hi, Ziggy. There you are. Look at Ziggy. He's so cute. I love Ziggy.
Did you find what you needed?
Yeah, I got a bag of wild bird mix. Oh, Ziggy, look at you. He made the cover of the calendar.
Yeah, he did.
You got a calendar?
Yeah.
I want to see.
They're right here, look.
Oh, look at that. See, that's Ziggy. He's on the calendar of avian health. Isn't that cool? And then there's a kitty cat.
Do you do the economy wild bird seed or the other one?
Economy. There's my Ziggy. Hi, Ziggy. Oh, you're such a good chicken. You're such a good rooster. I love you. I love you, Ziggy. I love Ziggy.
How are you?
Peachy. Ziggy with the kitty cat. Look at that. Watch out. He's pecking her. What are these eggs for?
Those are Ziggy's eggs.
Those are what? Ziggy eggs? Can you, you didn't want to hatch them?
I don't know. I don't know why they're there.
What?
I don't know why they're right there.
But they're Ziggy eggs? Well, you need to put them under heat so they hatch.
I know, I don't know.
Get more Ziggies.
I don't know if Ziggy's going to come sit on them or the mom is, but Rita left them there.
He's not going to sit on them. He's a rooster.
He's a rooster.
Okay, Ziggy, let's put you up here. Look at Ziggy. He's so cute. This is Hippie Chicken. They got all sorts of good stuff here. And more on Go. Hi, baby. How are you? If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus, you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.